Hello and welcome to another update video about ICP. On the ICP chart, I can only see 3 waves up so far here into the December highs. So far, I'm tracking 2 main scenarios. One is in white, in which we're tracking a so-called ABC structure to form a larger degree A wave, and then with the B wave down basically to unfold now. Even though that's not my primary scenario, but I can see 3 waves up that can always be an A wave. And also because of the overall context, I'm very neutral about, okay, is this a 5-wave move that's developing here, which would be more bullish, or is it just an A wave? Yep, which could also pull back in a B wave, but it's less certain, and then we can still get a C wave rally afterwards. Yeah. Is it that, or is it actually a 5-wave move followed by a 3-wave pullback in wave 2, and then we go. Both in the short term, doesn't really make a difference. The only difference is that in the white structure, we get a deeper pullback now, whereas in the yellow structure, we get one more high before we get a deeper pullback. And I'm leaning towards the yellow one, just because we are moving currently in a support zone that I identified and defined for you in the last video. And I mean, as long as that's holding, I have no reason to believe that this is white, or I cannot confirm it. From that point of view, we are focusing more directly on higher prices here in the yellow structure. At the moment, the price is within this support area, reacted to it a few times, basically dancing on the 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level, like the first key level that is relevant for such a wave 4 pullback. Okay, so if we say, yeah, we are in the yellow count, then as I said, 3 waves finished here on the 16th of December. This here is simply a wave 4 pullback, which should result in a wave 5. But the 4th wave doesn't give us any indication that it's over. It could be, so I've marked it already as potentially complete here, with that swing low that was made on the 21st of December. However, the pattern that developed off the low doesn't give me much confidence, and typically a 4th wave ideally reaches the 38.2 retracement level. It doesn't need to. I mean, this entire orange box, right, between $6.95 and $9.23, that's really the most common and ideal support area for a 4th wave. But within this, most wave 4 structures reach the 38.2 retracement. It's not a rule, but you know, when we haven't got a clear signal that the correction is over, and when so far the correction has been very shallow and the target or the ideal level hasn't been reached, then typically I'm leaning towards, okay, we might get one more low. At least be prepared for it. But overall, the message is, as long as we're holding $6.95, another high should follow. Thing is, now in the yellow structure, the wave 4 could be in, because the wave 4 is typically just an ABC structure and the move down is an ABC. But if we're dealing with a wave 4 like that, it could also be that it's forming just a larger ABC structure, because the A wave itself can also be an ABC. So in blue, highlighted in blue, you can see a more extended structure in which the A wave completed. This here is now some kind of a B wave, not entirely sure how it's developing. And then a C wave down should follow, possibly could reach that $7.89 level. So the bottom line is, you still need to be prepared for a potential lower wave 4 in the support area before the wave 5 to the upside can really start. I mean, it can start now, but if it has started, it's not very evident in the chart yet. It would only work as ending diagonal. Again, you know, these patterns that we, if we could, would ban, but we can't. So this would be a wave 1, wave 2, would be working on a 3, then a 4 and a 5. That's the pathway it would have to take if wave 5 has already started. But again, I'm not leaning towards that idea and scenario. In this scenario, wave 3 should at least reach $12 and, well, ideally reach $12.21. Yeah. But yeah, that's my view about ICP at the moment. Not really much change, just a little bit of sideways movement in this support area, but I still hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.